Hello, everybody. This is going to be a quick demo on how to test out your Chase the Mouse extension. So after you've cloned and imported your repo, inside of that repo, you will find a source folder with a package for each of the extensions, including Mouse Chaser, which holds Chase the Mouse. And if I open this up, you can imagine you're following along and you've built get mouse position and you've built draw ball, and you've come down here to square and you want to test it out. So you can go to the Chase the Mouse test suite, run as a JUnit test, and it will run a bunch of tests for each of the methods that are coming up: square, calculate magnitude, and let's sort of look at this really quick. Add, subtract, there's going to be scalar, multiply, a bunch of these things. And you see we're failing everything because we haven't implemented anything yet. If this is closed and we weren't at the right spot, what you can do is come over here, sort of see a test that's failing, and you see it's not just returning the wrong value, it's like throwing an exception. And so it says not yet implemented. If I double click on this top line, it will take me to where that exception happened. So let's say I just change this to, let's say, return V, right? Now that is, of course, not the square of V, it is V, but let's run this test again. And I can come over here and just rerun the test. And you can see now it's no longer throwing the exception, but it's not returning the right values, right? So it actually passes, V passes for 0 and 1, no surprise there. The square of 0 is 0, the square of 1 is 1. 2 is not working because 2 is not 4. And you can imagine fixing this so that it works. But this will sort of hopefully help you. You can see all these different cases. There's some specific ones and then a bunch of random ones. And just marching through this, getting square to work, magnitude, add, subtract, and everything like that will get you towards sort of more interesting and challenging ones like calculate and exclusion. And so hopefully this extension will go well. If you run into trouble, definitely reach out to us. We are here to help.